In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check website traffic in Semrush. Let's walk through this together so you can quickly find reliable traffic estimates for any site you care about. Start by opening your main Semrush dashboard. This is the home base where you can access all the key research tools. Once you're there, shift your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. You'll see a list of categories. Look for the section labeled Traffic and Market. Go ahead and click that to expand the options related to traffic insights. From that list, choose Traffic Analytics. This is the feature that pulls together Semrush's traffic estimates, trends, and high-level engagement data. When the Traffic Analytics page opens, look toward the top of the screen for the search field. If a website is already showing there from a previous session, you can click the current website name to change it. Otherwise, click directly into the search bar. Now type the website you want to analyze. Keep it simple, just the main domain without extra paths. If you're deciding between a root domain and a subdomain, the root domain will give you the broadest picture, while a subdomain narrows the view to a specific section. As you type, you'll usually see suggestions appear. Select the correct website from the list, then click it to load the data. That's all you need to do to open the report. You'll now see a summary of the site's traffic. This overview commonly includes estimated visits, unique visitors, engagement signals like bounce rate and average visit duration, and often a quick look at traffic trends over time. Think of this as a snapshot of how active the site is and how engaged its visitors tend to be. A quick tip: Semrush traffic numbers are modeled estimates based on multiple data sources. They're great for comparisons and trend spotting, but they won't match a site's private analytics exactly. Also, depending on your plan, the amount of detail you see may vary. If you have a paid subscription, you'll unlock deeper insights beyond the summary, which can help with more thorough competitive research. If you're on a free plan, you'll still get a helpful high-level view to guide your decisions. To recap, head to your main dashboard, open the Traffic and Market section on the left, click Traffic Analytics, use the search at the top to enter or change the website, and select it to view the summary. With this simple flow, you can quickly check website traffic in Semrush and make more informed, data-driven choices.